Good afternoon, Sir Sedo. I will report my PowerPoint regarding Kulyot and group jump. Kulyot. Origin of Kulyot. The game greatly resembles the game Tag of War, which is played across different countries. This sport was practiced in Cambodia, ancient Egypt, Greece, India, and China. During the Tang Dynasty, Emperor Xuanzong of Tang promoted large-scale tug-of-war games using ropes of up to 167 meters or 548 feet. With the shorter ropes attached and more than 500 people on each side end of the rope, each side also had its own drummer to encourage the participants. Kulyot is a sport for Filipinos. Kulyot as a sport for Filipinos. For the Filipinos, this game often appeared on street games, fiestas, playgrounds, and other events. Kulyot has been demonstrated and played in numerous formal events, especially after the rise of Laro ng Lahi and the mission it entails. Since then, even school intramurals and some cultural-based games have held tournaments of Kulyot. Association. The Philippines is also one of the countries who founded a national body for sport, the Philippine Tug-of-War Association. Last 2017, the Philippine team bagged third place at the 11th ASEAN Indoor Tug-of-War Championship. How to play Kulyot. Have an equal number of players for each team. Separate the team who should be facing each other about 5 meters apart with a center line in the middle of both teams. Let each member of each team hold on to the rope. Tie a piece of ribbon or handkerchiefs on the center of the rope, which should fall on the center line. On signal, each team pulls up other until one's team captain crosses the middle line. The team that pulls the other over the borderline is declared as the winner. That's all for Kulyot. Now I will report the group jump. Group jump rope or luksong lubid. History of jump rope. Explorers reported seeing aborigines jumping within vines in the 16th century. European boys started skipping in the early 17th century while girls began skipping in the 18th century. In the United States, domination of the activity by girls emerged as their families moved into cities in the late 19th century. They found sidewalks and other smooth surfaces conducive to skipping. What is a jump rope? A sleeping rope or jump rope is a tool used in the sport of skipping or jump, where one or more participants jump over a rope swung so that it passes under their feet and over their heads. 3 phases of rope jumping. Load phase. Load phase requires you to balance your body on the balls of your feet with your knees slightly flexed. Flight phase consists of muscular contractions that propel your body high enough to clear the rope with each jump. Landing phase. Return to the surface by allowing your body weight to balance on the balls of your feet with your knees flexed to help absorb the impact of the landing. How to play jump rope or luksong lubid. Divide everyone into groups of 5 or up to 10. Younger players may need smaller groups while older jumpers are larger groups. Each group gets 1 rope. The leader assigns 2 turners in each group and the rest form a line. The 2 turners begin by turning the rope. Then, one by one, the players enter and exit the rope. In the first round, the jumper tries to run under rope without touching the rope. After each jumper's completion, they will return back on the line. Once the jumpers have completed running through, they jumps once and exits on their turn on the jumper's second turn. After the jumpers have jumped once and exited, they go through and jump twice, then 3 times, etc. on each term. If a jumper misses in their turn, they will go back in line and continues to try the same number of jumpers until successfully exits. Be sure to rotate those who are turning the rope. That's all. Thank you.